All right, recording now. Gonna open the Buds 3 Pros. Just make sure. Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah. You can't. Come out of there. It's fucking tighter than a Trojan Magnum condom. What the fuck, bro? There we go. Okay, okay. Yep, there's dust. There's dust inside. Yep. I don't know if you can see that. There is dust inside. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get this on my... Yep. 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 I don't... Can you... Oh, I'm gonna take a... Yeah, it's not coming up. I'll take a photo. I'm gonna... On my video, I'll take a photo here really quick.